can call me. Promise that.
Hi guys, my name is Brian. Today's tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to install Kinemaster with no watermark. If you install Kinemaster in Play Store you will get watermark in it, and you must purchase the full version so it will remove the watermark. If you want to install the Kinemaster without purchase the full version, you came to the right place. Now let's get right into it. I'll use Watermark for this video. The website will be in the description below. All you need is just click the download now button and it will download it automatically. And just wait until it finished download. After it finished download you can install the app. Click the green button that say OK. And just click allow twice. Search Kinemaster. And just download it by click the green button that say install. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial video. That's all for now. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Drop a like if you like it and share to your friends and your family. I will see you in the next video. Peace.
Here we go!